Hello and welcome to Project B. We sold the Swift. So in this episode, we're going to show you how much it cost us and how much we sold it for.
If you're new to the series, click the pop-up banner above to get up to date with the Lemon to Lambo series.
So if you've been paying attention to the Lemon to Lambo series, you'll know that Morgan and I have set the goal of buying a Lamborghini. Unfortunately, we don't have rich parents or $250,000. So we're going to buy one for about $7,000. So to put this in more perspective, we originally bought a Mazda 3 MPS from the auctions that we then touched up, made it better, sold that on, and with the profit of that, we bought our next car, the Suzuki Swift, and we're glad to say that we finally sold it. It did take quite a bit of time. Brisbane since then, and in the middle of us trying to sell it, went into partial lockdown with the Kung flu. So it was a bit hard to sell, but we got there in the end and we ended up getting a great price for it. So I have here all the information, how much we bought it for, what we had to do with the car, how much it all cost, and the most important part, how much we sold it for. All right, so we originally bought the Suzuki Swift from the auction, again, just like the Mazda. Inspecting it, the car looked great. We did notice a valve cover leak, and that was about it. Had an awesome head unit, had an awesome shift knob. Morgan and I were contemplating, do we take the shift knob off and either use it ourselves or just put a stock one on and then sell that separately. But we ended up keeping it with the car. Had some nice rims aside from all the gutter rash, and a nice fruity exhaust, which we'll throw in a clip of how well Morgan liked it.
Hear that rumble. Like the MPS, we went to the auctions to pick up our next Lemon, which was the Suzuki Swift. We bought that for $3,500, but with all the auction fees and so on, that equated to $4,075.70. So we brought the car home and inspected the car, put the scan tool on it. Nothing showed up, they're all just old codes, so we cleared that and it was all sweet to go. Only thing to address was the valve cover gasket. So we just went down to our local auto parts store, picked up a gasket there, that was only $68, and we replaced it in I think the night that we got the car. So only took like less than 30 minutes, nice and easy job. And yeah, so $68 for the valve cover gasket. So after that, we went and got a roadworthy certificate. That was only $100. And then we went down to get it registered for the road. So for registration, insurance, and all the costs to get it on the road, equated to $459. So then the total expenses, including purchasing the car, was $4,702.
Amazingly, we had almost 3 times the amount of people inquire about the car than the MPS, which kind of blew me away. They were all the same kind of person. What we'll say, Caucasian, young, and of the female variety. But there was lots of interest in the car, which is really good. We did get quite a few lowballs. I felt like a goalkeeper, just jumping left and right, smacking these lowballs away. It was quite ridiculous. But in the end, we ended up selling the car for $7,300, which was really good. We listed it for $7,500, so it was pretty much right there at our asking price, which was great. So in the end, we had a profit of $2,600, which was about a 55% profit on our initial investment into the car of $4,700, the amount of cost it cost us. So all in all, very good profit, very good flip.
And so that brought our total amount of money to chuck into the next Lemon to $11,800. Thanks for watching this episode of Lemon to Lambo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. and we'll see you in the next video.
Gotta get